Sporty Massage Table Cart by NRG. Portable massage table carrier trolley with rubber wheels, telescoping handle and strap. The NRG Sporty Table Cart is a simple, lightweight option at only 5 pounds, with a tubular metal frame that is already fully assembled, making it a breeze to get going. It's moderately priced and fits just about any size massage table of any brand. It's recommended you check your table size against the carts before purchasing. The cart is sized at 26.8-inch length when folded, 50-inch length when opened, and 14-inch wide at the wheels. When not in use, it folds up compactly, so you can store it easily out of the way, making it a very convenient option. The cart is safe for your table, with padded cross braces so nothing tears and you can be sure your table is secure. It's made with special bracing legs so that it won't tip backward as you're transporting your table. Additionally, it includes an elastic strap that keeps the table in place around its width. Note that there is no strap that goes around the height, meaning you'll want to go over bumps and curbs with extra care. The 2 rubber wheels are quiet and made to maneuver well around corners. There is also a 1-year warranty, so you can feel confident in your purchase. It has a wonderfully cushioned handle that can be adjusted for height, making it comfortable to grip and pull during your transport. Here are the pros. Moderately priced and affordable, folds up for compact storage, lightweight, tip-proof design, padded telescoping handle, fits any brand. And here are a couple of cons. No strap to fit around height, elastic straps not as snug as non-elastic options.